These are the insignias for real Capodimontes. These ones in the bottom, these two, are the most common ones you see these days. Some of these other ones up here you can also find. They all have the N for Napoleon and the little crown. That's kind of the signature for a real Capodimonte. If you look at the pieces, so here's the first one. This is a lamp, 2 figurines. There should be a stamp like one of those down here, but as you can see, there isn't.
And it's just a very sloppy hand mark by a black marker that's made in Italy. Nothing else.
But if it was a Capodimonte, it would have that stamp underneath here.
There isn't any.
And it does not. The second one here, this is another lamp with the musicians, and again, no markings.
Yeah. It's very, there's nothing. That's just a black hole.
Yeah.
And there's nothing else. Clear, this is a fake.
This third one here, this is the horse-drawn carriage. Again, no markings.
Nothing whatsoever.
Blank.
Yeah.
Also note, this one has a broken back piece right here.
The handle is broken
The
that
handle's
way.
broken. This came this way.
And the picture I have from the seller indicates it was damaged. So this one on the left side has the handle, the hook. On the right side, it's already broken. So it came that way. Came broken.
The next piece is this matching lamp. Matching to the first one. Again, nothing.
Nothing. It was just white. Nothing.
No
Plain.
Capodimonte
And it just
stamps.
marked by a black marker. Anybody can mark that.
This bowl piece here, you can see this
It's just
one.
some numbers.
It has some numbers and it has a very faded stamp that says Made in Luxembourg. It's a little hard to read. I believe it says Luxembourg, but it's a really long name. It's clearly not Italy.
Because it has an L and
But it's not a Capodimonte stamp. It says Made in Luxembourg.
L and X.
Okay, it's got an L and an X.
So
That's why
it's
it is.
nothing to do with Italy.
This matching soup bowl that goes with it. This one actually has an import sticker. It says
It says
Furtado
Furtado.
Imports.
Can you rotate it the other way? Yeah, says Furtado Imports San Jose and some numbers.
So we took this piece
Okay.
along with some of the Capodimontes to Furtado Imports. They verified that these guys are actually Portuguese and that the Capodimontes are fake.
Can you show us the inside, the lid and the bowl?
Sure. There's nothing inside of here either.
And the bowl?
And the bowl.
Yeah, that's just a stain, black stain. What about the plate?
They're on the plate too, yes.
So the plate is nothing on there.
Yeah, the plate would have a stamp on the bottom.
And we
right
won't
there.
miss anything there because it's obviously it's plain.
Yep.
And the ladle on the back
Ladle's
side,
got nothing.
yeah, dirty, stain.
Okay, this lady on a swing, this is the one piece in the collection that looks like it might actually be real. And lo and behold, there's the Capodimonte stamp.
Yeah, it says N and the crown
And
is
Capodimonte.
on the bottom. Although it's upside down, but that's the crown,
Oh,
and
sorry.
it says Capodimonte on the bottom. And if you want to take a look at the close-ups, I have it here. So here is very similar to this marking. And here is the picture that actually I have a close-up picture of the lady on the swing. It's similar to it, but we're not sure because it doesn't have the Made in Italy mark, but at least have the top part right
It
here.
says Capodimonte.
That's an example of current day back stamp.
Okay. And these last pieces, this is the more musician one. Again,
It's
it's got a
nothing.
handwritten
Made in Italy.
number. No, as I say, made in Italy, but no Capodimonte stamps.
Yeah, whatsoever. And also to identify why the other lady is better molded, because the hand, if you take close look, the fingers, it has all the creases, it's much more detailed, And also her face is so smooth and very pretty, very symmetrical. But if you look at these faces, they all kind of crooked. The eyes are smudged. And also you take a look at the fingers to identify them. They are just nothing, no definition and no creases. It's just very roughly made. And these are, nothing to demonstrate mastership of a good artist.
So next one is this rose pieces. Again, nothing,
Nothing.
no markings.
Yeah, we won't miss that.
And this one also came with 2 broken petals, or just loosely sitting inside of it.
Yeah, shattered inside.
And finally is this big mirror. For one, it's got these screws put through these rusting screws through the front, which
Very ugly.
Capodimonte would never do. But
Yeah. They're everywhere.
but just in case, you can still look at the back, and once again, nothing.
Yeah, this one is, nothing there once again.
So, other than the Lady on a Swing, all the rest of these pieces are clearly fakes.